Alright, so we got these solar fence lights. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for our 8-pack. Okay, nice. Oh wow. Looks like they're expecting a whole lot of mounting. Holy cow, what is this? Use this card to drill holes to mount the product. So besides all that, it looks like it also comes with glue. So I won't even need to be using... Oh. Is this the nano glue? No, it didn't give me no nano glue. It talked a big game about nano glue. Is this nano glue? This might be the nano glue. Okay, alright. All of this is going to need to charge. None of them seem to turn on, but we'll let them charge. And they're going to be mounted with the adhesive. So let's get the adhesive going. Ooh, it's a very clear adhesive. That's actually kind of cool. I like that. That's a good adhesive right there. I like that. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus this extra part here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully it looks good when it puts the light on. So I have some there. So pretty much it's going to be, you know what I'm saying? It's going to look good, hopefully at night. Alright, so taking a look at it. I dig it. Ah, this one works too. I guess when I was playing with the buttons, I was turning them off. Oh, it looks awesome. 10 out of 10. Let's get all of these going. Yeah. Wow, this looks so good. Mommy's gonna love this. Very cool. Yeah, I'm a big fan. This looks great. It came out so good. Just how I envisioned it. I'm so happy with the lighting. Now I just need to get some more lighting for this area. And we'll have the lighting back here. So nice. Big fan of how good this came out. It looks so nice. It came out great.